Welcome to Discover Daily by Perplexity, your AI-curated digest of breakthroughs in tech, science, and culture. I'm Alex. Today, we're exploring how light can be transformed into a supersolid, a fascinating development in quantum physics. But first, let's look at what else is happening across the financial and automotive sectors. Our first segment focuses on Nasdaq's plan to offer 24-hour trading. The second-largest U.S. stock exchange operator aims to introduce round-the-clock trading on its equities platform 5 days a week, starting in the latter half of 2026. This move is subject to regulatory approval and industry alignment. Nasdaq's initiative is driven by growing global demand for U.S. stocks, particularly from retail investors in different time zones. However, Nasdaq President Tal Cohen has emphasized the need to consider risks associated with increased volatility and higher transaction costs that may result from expanded trading hours. A key aspect of this plan is updating the Securities Information Processor, or SIP, which displays real-time stock price information. This update is crucial to accommodate the additional hours of operation. Despite the potential for increased overnight trading, Cohen noted that liquidity during these extended hours is expected to remain significantly lower compared to regular trading sessions. Nasdaq isn't alone in this move. Cboe Global Markets has announced similar plans to extend trading on its equities exchange to 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, pending regulatory approval. The New York Stock Exchange has also filed an application to offer 22 hours of trading on weekdays. These developments reflect a growing trend in the U.S. stock market towards extended trading hours. A new exchange called 24 Exchange is set to debut in the second half of 2025, offering nearly 24-hour trading as approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. While this shift aims to cater to increasing global interest in U.S. stocks and provide more flexibility for investors across different time zones, it's not without challenges. Nasdaq is forming a group to work with other industry participants to address concerns and risks. As this story develops, we'll be watching how these exchanges navigate the complexities of implementing extended trading hours while maintaining market stability and investor confidence. Moving on to our second segment, we have news from the automotive world. Volkswagen has unveiled its most affordable electric vehicle yet, the ID Every1, which will be the first to feature software developed in partnership with Rivian. Set to launch in Europe by 2027, the ID Every1 will have a starting price of around €20,000 or about $21,500. This compact EV marks a significant milestone in the $5.8 billion joint venture between Volkswagen and Rivian. The ID Every1 boasts impressive specifications for its price point. It's about the size of a Mini Cooper SE and offers a range of over 155 miles on a single charge. It features a 94-horsepower front-wheel drive configuration, space for 4 passengers, and 10.8 cubic feet of cargo space. As the first vehicle to utilize Rivian's software architecture, the ID Every1 represents a significant step in Volkswagen's efforts to modernize its EV technology and improve overall vehicle performance. This collaboration aims to accelerate innovation, increase scale, and ultimately lower the cost of EV ownership for consumers worldwide. The software architecture developed with Rivian is described as highly flexible and high performance. It will enable over-the-air updates, allowing for continuous improvements and new features throughout the vehicle's lifespan. Customization options will cater to individual customer preferences, enhancing the overall user experience. The move is expected to give Volkswagen a competitive edge in the affordable EV market. The ID Every1 is part of a broader strategy that includes 9 new models planned for launch by 2027. Another budget-friendly electric vehicle, the ID2 All, is scheduled for 2026 with a starting price of around €25,000. Now, let's dive into our main segment of the day, the transformation of laser light into a super-solid for the first time. Researchers have achieved a remarkable feat by transforming laser light into a super-solid, marking a significant advancement in quantum physics. This breakthrough opens new avenues for studying exotic states of matter and challenges our understanding of the properties of light. The team accomplished this by firing a laser at a specially designed piece of gallium arsenide with ridges. As the light interacted with the material, it formed polaritons, hybrid particles combining properties of light and matter. These polaritons were constrained by the ridges in a pre-designed way, forcing them to organize into a super-solid structure. To understand the significance, let's break down what a supersolid is. A supersolid is a state of matter that exhibits properties of both a solid and a superfluid simultaneously. It maintains a rigid, crystal-like structure, while also behaving like a frictionless fluid. Until now, supersolids have primarily been created using ultra-cold atomic systems. The researchers conducted rigorous tests to confirm that their light-based structure exhibited true supersolid properties. They observed several key characteristics: simultaneous solid and fluid properties, zero viscosity, density modulation, global phase coherence, and the potential for phonon-like excitations. One of the most intriguing aspects of this discovery is how it challenges our conventional understanding of light. Typically, we think of light as something that spreads out and flows freely. However, in this experiment, researchers managed to give light some properties of a solid while maintaining its fluid-like characteristics. This breakthrough has significant implications for both fundamental physics and potential applications. From a theoretical standpoint, it provides a new platform for studying quantum many-body physics and exotic states of matter. The ability to create and manipulate supersolids using light opens up possibilities for exploring quantum phenomena that were previously difficult or impossible to access. On the practical side, while it's too early to predict specific applications, this research could potentially lead to advancements in areas such as quantum computing, precision measurement, and the development of new types of sensors or communication devices. That wraps up today's episode of Discover Daily. Our new deep research feature, launched earlier this month, now analyzes hundreds of sources in minutes. Think of it as deploying a personal research team through our web and mobile platforms. This cutting-edge tool combines autonomous reasoning with rapid processing to deliver exhaustive reports on specialized topics. Deep research excels at expert-level tasks across various domains, from finance and marketing to product research, and is available on our desktop and mobile apps. Thanks for listening. We'll be back with more stories that shape our world. Until then, stay curious.